In this tutorial, I am going to explain the front post and back post stitches. I have crocheted a patch of 3 rows and 16 double crochets in each row. The first technique is front post double crochet stitch. Start with a loose chain, work a simple double crochet, yarn over the hook. Instead of the top of the stitch, we are working behind the stitch. Draw a loop from behind the stitch and complete the double crochet. Yarn over the hook. Draw a loop behind the next stitch and complete the double crochet. The front post technique makes the stitches pop and textured. Make 2 simple double crochets so you can feel the difference between simple and front post stitches. Make 10 front post double crochets. End the row with a simple double crochet. This technique is called back post double crochet. Start with a loose chain and a simple double crochet. To make back post stitch, yarn over the hook and draw a loop from the front of the next stitch and complete the double crochet. Yarn over the hook and draw a loop from the front of the next stitch and complete the double crochet. Work 2 simple double crochet, make 10 more back post double crochet. And with a simple double crochet. This technique will create depth in our work.